Hi guys! Ooh, init. It's 2:10 here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 8:10 na ng gabi. So ngayon guys, umuulan, malamig. Kaya guys, nagluto ako ng sinigang, pork, and pasayan sinigang. Kasi guys, kahapon, pumunta kami ng Asia Shop, nakabili ako ng kangkong guys. Kaya yun guys, masarap. Na-miss ko ito yung kangkong ang halo guys. Tapos, nagbili rin ako ng carlang. Tapos, tsaka green beans. Ayan guys, green beans. Ay, luto na to guys. Loaded pasayan. And loaded. Ayan guys. Pork liempo. Ang hinalo ko guys. Ayan. Grabe guys, kainit. So, eto guys, ang aming lunch and dinner na rin for today. Sinigang na baboy at pasayan. So, eto guys, siyempre guys, mapaparami na naman ang kain natin ito guys. Kapag ganito ang ulam guys, of course, rice is life. So, kain tayo guys. Babush!